Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs allows you to create a wide range of diagrams directly inside your documents. There are two ways to do this. You can create a diagram as a reusable component page, or you can create an ad hoc diagram that exists only on the page you are editing. To create a reusable diagram component, start by clicking the plus icon on the parent node and selecting New Component Page. You will be prompted to choose the type of diagram you want to create, and once you confirm, the diagram editor will open. You can build the diagram from scratch or use the Create with AI button at the top right to have the system generate one for you. When the diagram is ready, click Save, then click the left arrow to exit the editor. The component is now available for reuse. To insert it into a page, open the page you are editing, click Insert, choose Diagram, and select Import Existing. This lets you pick your diagram component and place it into the page wherever you need it. If your diagram is only needed on a single page and doesn't need to be reused elsewhere, you can create an ad hoc diagram directly on that page. While editing the page, go to Insert, then Diagrams, and choose the diagram type you want to create. The diagram editor will load, and just like before, you can either create the diagram manually or generate it with AI. When you finish, click Save and close the editor. The diagram will be inserted into your page immediately.